about to leave. Already packing.
Good morning.
Morning.
Welcome to Madeira. We landed very late last night. We are staying at Mike's mum's house and I am just so excited to be on our way to the beach, gonna get some breakfast and just kind of have a really chilled but hopefully lovely holiday. So come with us. What did you get? I got wafers, which are limpets but delicious, and a mini ball caco. Very cute. Oh, and my favourite pedras de limão. This you get in the whole of Portugal. I might got an Nikita. We've just left the beach. I had the best time. It's still quite early, it's like 4 o'clock, so we're gonna go on a little walk, which we were supposed to do before, but because we landed so late yesterday, that didn't happen. And it's called the banana route, and we have never been on this walk, so hopefully it'll be a good one. I think it's like just a really short, easy, but still like quite unusual one. Because what do you think? It's my 10th time in Madeira. Yeah, it's roughly my 10th time in Madeira. So like, I've done a lot of the things, so it's just fun to like do something that we haven't done before, and hopefully it won't be like too touristy, because I would say Madeira is getting particularly touristy. I'm just waiting for Mike to put his shoes and socks on. I look horrific today. When I had my colour analysis done, they said that like I really suit contrast, and sometimes like I'm wearing a really light pair of shorts and a light t-shirt, and I just feel like I just look very wishy-washy. Oh, my glasses are so greasy. We get a drink first and then we're gonna go on a little walk. Okay, so we're going for a little walk up here. Prices are really easy, so I'm just wearing, oh, by the way, if you're looking for the best summer shoe, I honestly think they're these, but I'll link them after. It's because they're waterproof.
Is it just 300 meters or is it?
Is that what it says?
Another guy.
Gosh, it smells like bananas.
The kind of love you only see.
So these are like bananas before they become bananas, so they were flowers, and then soon they'll look like this. Where do you leave the 50 cents? Oh, in that little pot. Picked up 2 bananas. 50 cents, feels like we might as well. These are Madeira bananas because they're much smaller, but they're also much sweeter. I mean, I definitely ordered a tripod for this holiday. You can buy these definitely like in the mainland Portugal.
Really?
They're very popular. They're like weirdly really yellow on the inside, like, rather than white. They're nice though. We've just finished at, what's this place called? Vacas, and it was, in my opinion, excellent. So good. Sorry, my hair is abysmal. Just so good. Never in a tunnel, clearly. Just because it gets right next to it, we've not been through. Well, Mike ran through it earlier. Woo. We are now off to dinner. I haven't quite finished my makeup, so I'm going to finish that in the car. And we're going to go and meet some of our friends. Oh, car. We've spent most of the day with Adam and Sandra, which are our friends that are getting married this summer, and we're gonna go meet some more of our friends. Okay, bought a mascara that was dry, so I had to go pick one up, so picked up this Maybelline one. Oh, yeah, it's this way around. Let's see how this goes. Hi Mike. Morning. Let's go. Yeah, I'm alright. You alright? So we have just finished the day, well, quite a few hours I'd say, in Porto Muniz, which are the natural pools. We've never been here. The weather here is really temperamental compared to the rest of Madeira, I would say. It's much cooler. It's on the north of the island, the northwest. The weather's just not as good, essentially. And today, like, it was a very warm day on Madeira. I think so, in Madeira. And so we decided to come here, and it was hot at the beginning, but it was always windy, and then it got like just too windy, so it's about 4 o'clock, and we're basically just gonna go for a bit of a drive, but we do have drinks with the bride and groom and like everyone. Kind of, it's not a rehearsal dinner, but it's like, that's not a thing here. We're basically just all going for drinks at 9 p.m. So we don't have like tons of time, we have like 5 hours, but we're essentially an hour from home. Anyway, there's a part of Madeira we have never been to, well, I have not been to, I don't know if Mike has, So we're gonna go do that. But actually, you know what? It was actually perfect today because I didn't want to be there for too long because I burnt my tummy a little bit yesterday. Only a tiny bit, like not overly noticeably, I don't think. But obviously I didn't want to make it worse. And even my shoulders a tiny bit. So it was like good to not spend like too long because otherwise I do get tempted to just stay forever. I'm wearing my little Uniqlo top. It's okay, I like it. I don't think it's like the best top in the entire world, but it's comfortable enough. Did you fix the shelf or not quite?
Yeah, I fixed it.
Oh, great. Our car shelf's being weird. Good morning from a very sleepy me. Today is what, our fourth day? Yeah, fourth day here in Madeira. It's actually a bank holiday and honestly I'm really tired. It's like 7:30 and we're off on a little walk with a couple of our friends, but we didn't get to bed until 2 in the morning, so why we're doing this I'm not sure. But Madeira is known for its walks, and we haven't really had a chance to do any, and plus like today we're probably just gonna kind of chill. I mean, we've done this walk definitely before and it is a great one because it's short and it's easy, but I'm really hoping that at some point today I can get in a nap. Either that or I'm gonna have to go to bed very early because we do have a wedding tomorrow. But let's go on this walk. Video or not really? Sorry, I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm a bit dramatic this morning. Can you get in my video? No?
Like, I feel its talons, and it's very like...
That made your trip in it.
Did.
You're very happy now. Good morning. Today is the wedding day, so my friends are getting married. I am maid of honour. That's the main reason why we're here in Portugal. Honestly, I feel like I just need a bit more rest, because we just haven't been sleeping much whilst we've been here, because we've been going to bed at 2 AM, getting up at like 7:30 or 7 even. I'm gonna try and find some painkillers. I'm gonna push through. I'm having my hair and makeup done, and now I'm gonna go and meet the bride. It's 9 o'clock. I have to pick up her flowers, Michael's suit, and have some breakfast as well. So that's the plan beforehand. I'm hoping to be with her by about 10:15, fingers crossed. Oh, this is my outfit. It's from Lindex. I really like it. I like the shirt kind of open like this. You can't, like, it doesn't really stay like this. It kind of ends up being like this, but I still really like it. And I initially thought this was hay fever and it might be like a tiny bit, but I definitely have a sore throat. Good morning. I am tired. I have very little, actually my voice isn't too bad, but I think I've got like sinus issues again. We just went to Mike's uncle's house and he very kindly gave us a little banana passion fruit, which I'm currently eating. I think they don't really taste like a banana. They look like a banana. It's a bit denser than a passion fruit. It's interesting, not as good as a regular passion fruit I'd say, but still pretty good. We're gonna have like a family day today, which I feel like I'm just needing. It's quite like cloudy today. I'll probably spin you around and show you the weather. It's not cloudy, it's like, what's the word in English? Overcast, and almost like foggy. Let me show you. So this is what it's looking like. It's kind of like blue down there. I do think it will clear up as the day goes on, but very much looking forward to just chilling. I'm actually wearing this again because I hadn't had a photo in it, but I think I might get changed into trousers because I still have a pair of trousers that I haven't like really worn. I need to like make sure that I've like photographed all the outfits I brought with me. I really feel like actually I didn't bring that many outfits. Good morning from our probably like less than 12 hours now in Madeira. Having a banana, but we're off quite early. I don't think it's 9 o'clock. It might even be 8:30. Almost 9, so it's probably like a little bit too cold to go to the beach. But we're gonna go out. Oh, I'm having sinus issues, as you can probably tell. I think it started from hay fever, and then it just basically, what's that thing? It's like something rolls. Like when something gets worse and worse, it just, okay, yeah, then it snowballed into whatever this is. I think because even this morning I struggled to open my eyes, so I think I've got just generally a whole sinus issue going on. And we're gonna have some breakfast somewhere, probably to the supermarket, because I just want to buy a couple of little bits before we go home. Go to the beach, and then we'll probably come home, finish packing, tidy, shower, and then back to England. Honestly, I've had a great holiday, I really have, but it has been so exhausting because there's been people here, we've been going for dinner with people, we've been getting up to occasionally go for walks, or just had reasons to be getting up. So I honestly think there's been about 2 days where I've slept more than 6 hours, the last one being one of them, and then I think the night before that being the other one. I'm just looking forward to having a routine. But the plan now is to go to a viewpoint and then breakfast. To the airport, I thought I would sign off this video here. We have had a great holiday, would you agree, Mike?
I agree.
I think actually Mike's saying it's one of his best, but personally I'm quite looking forward, oh look at that traffic. Personally, I'm quite looking forward to getting back to London and back to a routine, even though honestly I have had a great holiday, but we will be back in Portugal late summer as well, so very much looking forward to that as well. If this isn't really the video that you expected when it comes to Madeira, I will be writing a full guide on my blog. I'll probably do a couple of blog posts. I mean, I haven't posted my blog in months, maybe years. I think I have quite a lot of like Madeira knowledge that I would quite like to share. I wasn't really able to share it in this video just because there's a lot of touristy things that we just decided not to do because we've done them before, and the island is getting very touristy, so there's a fair amount of crowds. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I think I'm going to vlog this coming week when I'm back in London, and I will see you then. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.
See ya.
No, just the bye's fine.
Bye.